No.
Come on, bro. You truly.
Oh, my lip numb in the mother. I couldn't even feel that.
Oh.
Nah, hell no. You got my whole Tasha. What kind of?
Show ho. How you all?
Cause you the pastor that got NyQuil. Why you get the NyQuil popsicles?
What's up, BT gang? It's your girl Tasha back with another freaking banger, y'all. I know y'all read that title. I know y'all saw that thumbnail. Today I'm gonna be putting ORAJEL on my boyfriend's ice cream, y'all. I gotta hurry up because Brock is in the car waiting for me, and he just called me and asked me to bring him one of these to the car. So before we get into it though, I'm gonna need y'all to make sure y'all like, comment, share, subscribe if you're on the road to 200K, so smash it one time for your girl. Also make sure you hit that post notification bell so you don't miss none of the freaking bangers. You gotta make the bell ring, ding, dong, hey, ring, ding, dong. Ooh, that thing was in fast forward, y'all. Caroline W, King Lonely, Stephanie Wells, DJ 13, and Kasana's Nails and Creations. Thank y'all so much for showing us so much love down in the comment section below. We truly appreciate each and every one of y'all. And if you would like a shout out in an upcoming video, just make sure your post notifications are set to on and you are hashtagging post notification gang down in the comment section below. Now let me tell you what your girl finna do. So yeah, I already told y'all, he called me for one of these. He in the car waiting for me. So I'm gonna put this on here real quick because when he opens these up, he bites them. So your girl gonna go ahead and just put this all, fly, all up on here. And then I'm gonna rub it in a little bit, y'all. It's on the other side. All right, y'all, we finna go straight to the car and get straight up in that thing. Make sure y'all like, comment, share, subscribe. Team Tasha down in the comment section below, but you know how your girl gets down. Let's go, y'all.
One eternity later.
Baby. Ooh, baby.
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 Fix here.
Oh, thank you, man. She brought a damn water, too.
Oh, I should have brought water.
Look like I got this ice. You want some?
No, I don't want that.
Are you sure?
I'm good.
Ready to go? Yeah, I'm gonna say half of it.
You gonna say, no, you can have it. I don't want that. Oh, let me fix this.
Damn, this one hard over.
Sorry, though. Road again. I can't wait to get on the road again. You alright? Why you got the air on? Roll your window up.
Hold on.
Ugh, what's wrong with you?
That shit minty as fuck.
Minty? Maybe some of my mom's mint chip got on the
Moondrop?
yeah, ice cream. Maybe it spilled on it. I don't know. But on the road again. Are you?
Wait a minute. Something ain't right. I just taste like some house mint to Lipton. What kind of ice cream is that?
Oh, mint to lip.
It tastes like some house mint to Lipton or something. What kind of...
Damn.
Damn.
What kind of ice cream you been eating, bro?
This is... Nah, that's minty.
It ain't no different from the last one you ate.
It's minty. I ain't the blue one yet.
You just brushed your teeth?
Hold on. Damn. It's minty as fuck. Taste this.
I don't want none. I don't like the blue ones anyway. I like the green and the orange.
This is a NyQuil.
Oh! NyQuil?
Yeah, what kind of NyQuil popsicles and shit?
That'd be crazy.
You trying to put niggas to sleep?
Oh, I didn't give you no NyQuil.
You got NyQuil popsicles and shit. I don't want this shit.
You better
That shit is minty as hell.
It's gonna keep you cool. You sweating and stuff, you need it.
Damn. Hold up.
Huh? Dang, I hate we missed this light. This light be long as hell. Ooh, Popo. Oh, they turning.
Oh, hold on, God. Oh, shit.
And I didn't know you was making a my guy.
Hold on, honey. Hold on, this ain't right. Something ain't right. But what kind of motherfucker popsicle you got your ass get in there, cuz?
The popsicles out the freezer, bro.
Nah, that motherfucker. Damn. Why my lips feel like they swallowing the fuck up, nigga? Damn, hold up. My dad swallowed the fuck up, nigga.
They look like it.
Oh, hell no. What you do to my shit?
What is that? You got the Shanae
No.
The Wonder lips.
Oh, hell no. No.
Okay? Come on, bro. You truly.
Oh, well, I couldn't even. My damn lip numb in the mouth. I couldn't even feel that shit.
Oh.
Nah, hell no. That shit all the way. Tasha, I'm about to smack your ass. You got my whole. Tasha, what kind of.
How you always?
Cause you the pass the damn NyQuil. Why you get the NyQuil? Popsicle shit.
NyQuil,
You got
babe. I wouldn't give you NyQuil.
Stop playing.
I wanted to try. Shit. You was doing it?
Nah, my shit dead. Nigga, that shit. Both my lips and my tongue. Stop playing.
You really don't feel
Slap me
it?
again. I'm gonna suck
You didn't even feel it. That ain't even right. You
I
didn't
seen
even feel
your
it.
ass swing on me, nigga.
Oh.
Nah, hell no. This ain't it. No. What the fuck kind of ice cream? What the fuck kind of ice cream is that?
The Otter Pops, babe.
That's how I want to fuck me. Hell, gobble again.
Leave that water alone.
Hold on, man. Oh, I just shit on this. Oh. No.
You okay?
Am I acting like I'm totally normal? Like everything's fucking totally normal? I can't even
Say normal again.
my damn lips won't move when I tell them motherfuckers to. The ventriloquist. Oh! Man?
Not ventriloquist.
Oh, nah. Hell no.
You okay?
No, I'm not. No. Your mouth just drooling and shit. What the fuck wrong with you?
I'm crying.
Like you done just squirted in my goddamn mouth. Why the fuck is you crying and shit?
Because you funny as fuck, bro.
Come on, man. Tasha, what kind of motherfucking ice cream was that,
Huh?
But
It was Otter Pop. It was the
Otter Pop?
The little Otter Pop icy ice cream.
Hell no, that motherfucker. No, I
Remember
don't
we had
know.
bought the box?
No, was it a real otter in that
How
motherfucker?
you the one that told me to bring you one of those
Tasha,
motherfuckers.
was that a real frozen otter?
No, I don't. Why would I freeze an otter?
Bruh.
You talking about Otter Pops, nigga? My whole motherfucking mouth, nigga. I must be allergic to the blue or something, nigga. Stop
Let me
playing.
see. Say something. Do lip exercises. Okay, try to get them off, but you gotta try to get
I can't control them motherfuckers. Are not under my control. I swear to God, I don't even feel like the motherfuckers are moving when I'm talking. Is this shit moving? Hell no, that ain't feel shit. What the fuck? Come on, man. What kind of you putting my shit? Hell no. What the fuck? That shit, smell that shit. That smell that shit in the mother.
It do. I told you my mom's mint chip has spilt in the freezer.
Oh, the lips feel lazy as fuck. Like
They feel lazy.
they feel like they
I'm gonna need them later. I'm gonna need them later. Shit, I'm
that.
gonna wake them
Yeah,
up.
tooth that time. I felt that shit.
I'm gonna need them later. I wanted to make sure they good.
You
shit,
hit my
wake them
tooth that
motherfuckers up.
You hit my
Yeah.
tooth. I felt that shit. What's wrong with you?
Felt it? Well, there you go. We off to a good start. They coming back.
I'm gonna smack out your ass, but what's this? What is this? This a joke?
What's the joke?
Huh? NyQuil? Where you get this from? NyQuil? Who?
I got them from Sam's when we had went to Sam's and we had bought the big boxes. We said, "Ooh, Noah, and you like these?"
This
And
ain't
they
no
be
regular
hot.
Otter Pop.
So we
I
like,
taste the
let's
blue.
get Otter Pops. Huh?
This ain't no regular Otter Pop. I taste the blue.
Maybe they changed the ingredients in the recipe. You know how they be doing? They be trying to make shit healthy for kids now. Maybe they put something new in that shit.
Something that'll swell up and numb your whole motherfucking lips and shit. You sound dumb as hell. They been sued. They been got sued like a motherfucker. Kids' lips are swelling up across America and shit. The hell is you talking about?
You right.
They put Botox in this motherfucker.
That was dumb for me to even say.
Yeah, stupid. You say yes, very stupid. Your ass, stupid ass say. What is this?
Huh?
Taste this, my nigga.
I don't want none.
Smell it
I
then.
don't want.
Why I got saliva building up in the side of my goddamn lip? Oh! Everything, damn. This is some bullshit. This shit just keep coming, nigga. My shit is, and I'm drooling and shit.
This my street, right? I think this next light, not this light. The next
Tasha.
light. It's past Sonic.
Tasha!
Get it together.
You ain't even concerned about this shit.
I'm trying to
I'm
make
trying to tell
sure
you
we
what.
don't get lost. I ain't trying to get lost down
You ain't got nothing to
here.
wipe this shit off.
Huh?
Damn. Come on, man.
Is it past? Did I pass it?
What the fuck you put on that motherfucker, man?
Huh?
What,
Oh, there it is. Huh?
What is you freezing? Put in that motherfucker. Why is you freezing?
I've been freezing, put nothing. Real life got you the Otter Pop is from out of the freezer, man. It's from out of the freezer.
Tasha, that's some Colgate toothpaste or something you done froze and put in that motherfucker. That icy is something wrong with that shit. It's minty as fucking and swept my goddamn lips up.
Oh!
It ain't no normal Otter Pop. Fuck, you sound dumb as hell.
What's the difference between a normal and a not
But
normal?
the difference? What the fuck are you talking about?
Oh!
What's the difference between what?
Did you feel it? Did you feel it?
For sure. You gonna make
Did you feel
make
it?
my tongue numb,
Your tongue?
so I can't take shit
You're the
back.
last person that needs to be talking about somebody's words right now. How you say it?
You gonna fucking make my tongue numb.
Oh!
What?
On my mama.
do
On my
too
mama.
much.
How I do too much?
That's
And my
not
whole
the
listen to my whole mouth.
You what?
My whole mouth numb. You talking about I do too much?
You do too much.
I'll smack the fuck out your ass.
You smack the fuck out of me for what?
Cause you be tripping, bro. What kind of popsicles is this, bro? What you gonna?
What kind of? Oh! Ice cream melting on the outside? Huh?
Ice cream on the outside. You sound stupid as hell. Tasha, what the fuck is that shit? What the fuck is that? You put toothpaste on something?
Is that what it is? Let me see. Is that toothpaste?
No, let me see that motherfucker. Get back to me. Why you gonna dump? What the fuck is that blue shit on the outside of the motherfucker, Tasha?
ORAJEL. It was ORAJEL. Oh. Don't do that. Don't do that, cause you just put some ORAJEL on my shit. So don't do that. Yeah, ain't no fun when the rabbit got the gun.
It ain't gonna be no fun when I go home and get my gun either, motherfucker.
What you gonna do with that?
Shoot your big toe off.
Oh.
Shoot your damn pinky toe off, nigga.
Don't be mad, man. I'm a rebel. Let me rub him. Let me massage your forehead.
That don't help. I can't feel it. I can't feel it.
Circulation. It's the circulation. Let me put the circulation back.
I got it.
All right, BT gang.
I'm sure. I can't eat no poo-poo for 3 weeks.
Like, comment, share, subscribe. What? Like, comment, share, subscribe. Team Tasha down in the comment section below, because you know how your girl gets down. Okay, nothing but freaking bangers. We love y'all. Get this video to 1,000 likes, y'all. 1,000 likes. We need all
4
the
weeks
videos
now, because your
at
outro
1,000
too damn long. 4 weeks.
1,000 likes, y'all.
1,000 likes.
Best friend, you're my best friend. I'ma spend it on her, cause she all